Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to discuss about how to use the data mapper action in integration procedure of Omnistudio. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, let me create one integration procedure first. So in the integration procedure, we need to provide the name. Like with this help of integration procedure, for this demo, I'll be retrieving case details. So applying the name like IP for case details, and we need to provide like type and subtype. So I have provided type and subtype, and let me save this one. So first of all, integration procedure is a OmniStudio tool as like data mapper and FlexCard. So it's like there are a lot of features available with this integration procedure. Like it is based on the there are a lot of actions available, built-in actions like batch action, this calculation action, data mapper related actions, as well as email action. We can send email through this email action. Then again, integration procedure action, we can nested multiple integration procedure within a integration procedure. And then list action, matrix action, remote action. With this remote action we can invoke a apex, and there is http actions as well. So with the use of that http action, we can call that external systems through the rest calls or soap calls. So there are a lot of features available with the integration procedure, and the benefits of using integration procedure over, like, we can directly use data mapper action directly in OmniScript. But if there are multiple complexities are there, then we need to combine those data mappers into with the help of this integration procedure. Like in this integration procedure, we can combine multiple data mapper. Like we can provide first of all data mapper extract, then we can perform some transform with the help of data mapper transform, and we can make the load like with the help of data mapper load. So we can like combine multiple actions into within this integration procedure. So one of the best feature is like, so it will combine multiple actions into a single server call. So it will reduce that overload. And there are like there are loops, like loop blocks is there, try catch block is there, conditional block, cache block is there. So it supports like modular design as well. So we can nest it, as I'm showing this integration procedure, we can nested uh, multiple integration procedure as well. And so for this case, I'll be just using this data mapper extract action. So I'll be just drag and drop this action, and we'll provide the name like get case details data mapper. So I have already has a data mapper extract created. Let me show you this data mapper extract, what is basically do quickly. So this is a interface type like extract. If you have not gone through the data mapper series, so please go through, please refer to this those videos. Like there are like four data mappers types there, like extract, transform, load, and turbo. So this is the type like extract. With the help of extract, we can get details, fetch details from the Salesforce. So this basically on the case object, and it expects this case ID. So this case ID will be provided as input, and based on case ID, so this is the ID field of the case object, and it will match with the input case ID. And based on that, we have this output. And let me show this what exactly works. So let me execute this one, and it will provide like this yeah, results. So let me add a node just in the output. Like I want to be all the fields in the output in the case node. We'll do it for status, and final one is subject. Yeah, so our case fields are in case node. Okay, so I'll be using this data mapper extract in directly in the integration procedure. And in the input parameters, so there is input parameter. Into input parameters, like we need to provide the data source and the filter value. So filter value is the node that will be passed to the data mapper to extract. So for this case, this data mapper expects case ID as an input. So I'll be providing this filter value as case ID, and if I hover this help text, so this is the node will be passed to the data mapper to extract data. So for this case, this is our case ID. And like for the input parameters, I can provide any name, like case ID input. And so this is how we can configure this data mapper action in this integration procedure and to show the output. But for this case, if I just preview this one, it will not show any results. So if I show you quickly, case ID input, we need to provide key as this one and value like this case record ID. And if I execute this one, it will show nothing. But if I debug this one, it will show the case details. So to show in the integration procedure designer preview, we need to use this response action. Okay. Uh, so with the help of this response action, we can print the output. Like the response format is JSON. We need to provide the JSON and send JSON path. So send JSON path, we need to provide this data mapper extract element name, and I'm providing as a send JSON path. And if I preview this one, we can show the case related details here. So this is how we can simply use data mapper action in integration procedure. We'll be discussing on the various topics on the integration procedure in the future session. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.